From 9th class from JNV Washing. As we all know in chemistry, there are so many compounds and each and every compound has a specific chemical formula. And in our 9th class syllabus, we have already studied how to write the chemical formulas of some important compounds. So let us recall that steps by taking examples of some compounds. Let us take first example of sodium chloride, NaCl. Sodium chloride. First we have to write their symbol and its valency. Or charge. So the symbol of sodium is Na and symbol of chloride, which is chlorine, is Cl. Now the charge of sodium is 1, or valency of sodium is 1 and valency of chlorine is also 1. Now just we have to cross over the valencies and write the chemical formula that we get. Here we get Na1Cl1. We just simplify this formula like this, NaCl. This is how we write the chemical formula of sodium chloride. Now let us take one more example of copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. Symbol of copper is Cu and symbol of sulfate is SO4. Now the valency of copper is 2 and charge on SO4 is also 2. Now just cross over the valencies and write the formula that we get. Here we get Cu2 and SO4 2. Just simplify by cutting 2 and write the formula CuSO4. This is how we write the chemical formula of copper sulfate. Now let us perform an activity to get some more examples of chemical compounds, formula of some chemical compounds. Now I have here one friend named Shankar. He is helping me in performing this activity. Shankar is holding the elements, the card of elements, which is generally form positive ion. Generally positive ions are here. Positive ions are in blue color and negative ions are present in red color. Now let us form the chemical formula of magnesium chloride. Here blue color is of magnesium, which is positive, and Cl. Just we have to fix this completely and we get the formula of magnesium chloride. Here we have two ions of chloride, so we get MgCl2. MgCl2. Just we have to fix this formula perfectly. Now let us take one more example of sodium chloride. Sodium is Na and Cl is 1. Just we have to fix this and we get the formula of sodium chloride, NaCl. Let us take one more example of copper sulfate, as we have taken before also. Copper is a positive charge ion, so here I am taking it in blue color, and sulfate is negatively charged. By combining this we get CuSO4. Just we have to fix it completely and we get the perfect formula of copper sulfate, which is CuSO4. Okay, this was my activity. Thank you.